We're going to get some more practice using the Euclidean algorithm to find the greatest common divisor. So remember, there's two columns here. There's the actual work, and then there's the work behind this. So what I'm going to do here, remember the first thing you do is you always divide the big one by the small one. So I'm going to take 124. I'm going to divide it by 110. That goes into it once. And then there's going to be a remainder of 14. And so what I write is 124 is 110 times 1 with a remainder of 14. Remember, the steps are always this. Your dividend goes first, and that's equal to your divisor times how many times it goes into it. We call that the quotient, plus your remainder. So that never changes, just like the last one. All right, and then we just keep dividing. Look at the right side. Divide the bigger number, the big previous divisor, by the smaller remainder. Remainder will always be less than your divisor. So I'm gonna, to save space, I'm gonna put it right here. So I'm gonna divide 110 by 14. And it takes me a while to think of that, but it ends up going 7 times. But let me show you a little way to make a mistake. I'm going to assume that it goes in 6 times, okay? 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 1 is 6, and then add 2, that's 8. Here's how you know you got you got it wrong. If I subtract these, if I subtract 110 minus 84, I actually get 26. Since 26 is bigger than 14, I know it's wrong. So it actually goes in one more time. It goes in 7. So I can put 14 into 110 7 times. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 1 is 7, and then that's 9. And so this has a remainder of 12. So right 110 is 14 times 7 plus 12. Again, 110 is 14 times 7 with a remainder of 12. Now again, divide the look at the right side of the equation. Divide the big number by the small number. So divide 14 by 12, and so that goes into it one time. 12, remainder of 2. So 14 is 12 times 1. 12, sorry, times 1 with a remainder of 2. Now divide the big number by the small number. So divide 12 by 2. 2 goes into 12 6 times. It goes in evenly with a remainder of 0. So 12 is equal to 2 times 6 with a remainder of 0. So that means your greatest common divisor is going to be, you can either look at, I choose to just look at the last thing I divided by. You can also choose to look at the last non-zero remainder. So your GCD of 124 and 110 is 2. So that's your answer. And I'm going to put the little 3 dots. That's the shorthand notation for therefore. Therefore, the greatest common divisor is 2. All right, that's it.